Welcome back everyone. Today we're gonna see how to fix mobile hotspot not showing up on Windows 11. Firstly, press Windows plus I to open settings. Click the network and internet from the left sidebar, then find mobile hotspot on the right panel. If it's off, click the toggle to turn it on. Under Share My Internet Connection From, choose your source, Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Under Share Over, choose Wi-Fi or Bluetooth as needed. Some devices can't create a hotspot due to hardware limitations. Here's how to check. Press Windows plus S, then type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt, then click Run as an administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type this command and hit Enter, like net sh wlan show drivers. If it says yes, your device supports hotspot. If it says no, unfortunately, your Wi-Fi adapter doesn't support hotspot. The only fix is to replace the adapter or use a USB Wi-Fi dongle. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.